Hey traders! Humanity Protocol has made an incredible comeback, recovering over 300% from its recent crash and now trading around $25 to $27 cents. So the big question is this the beginning of a new bullish trend or just a temporary relief rally before another drop? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Want my exact entry, stop loss, and profit targets? Member-requested chart analysis is now available on our Patreon page. Check the link in the description and bio. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, let's jump into the chart analysis.